Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the brand new shape Audi A1. The car's got the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, with the front headlight washer jets and the front and rear parking sensors. At the side of the vehicle we have the 17-inch 5-spoke design alloy wheels with the black inserts, black mirrors. This is the Sportback with the 5 doors with the LED backlights with the dynamic sweep indicators at the rear parking sensors, and the car's also a 1 litre 30 TFSI petrol S-tronic automatic. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a remainder of the manufacturer's warranty and a remainder of the manufacturer's roadside assistance. The car's also got the black contrast roof, extended leather on the inside of the door cards with the heated exterior mirrors, the Bang & Olufsen sound system with the interior light pack, S-line front sport seats with the Bosch logo in the leather with the Alcantara suede inserts, automatic headlights and wipers with a perforated leather 3-spoke multifunctional steering wheel with technology pack including virtual cockpit with the navigation maps, an S-tronic automatic gearbox with front heated seats and dual climate control, and a mobile phone wireless charging pad. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi A1, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.